Good morning. My name is Carrie and I work for VIP Kid, and I wanted to share with you today how in the world can you make money working online, teaching kids on the other side of the globe. Well, I'm doing it. A little bit about me. I moved to the Caribbean 2 years ago, and I wanted a job that I was flexible and that was going to make me the kind of money that I really wanted to make living abroad, because this country doesn't pay a lot of money, especially for my education. So I found VIP Kid, and I wanted to share with you how I make between $3,000 and $4,000 a month working for an online education company. Now, I will provide you a disclaimer. I am crazy. I do teach a lot, but no more than I would teach if I was working in a public school. So you consider your time and your schedule, and you make it work for you. So to begin, number one, VIP Kid will pay you $7 to $9 for every class that you teach for VIP Kid. That's awesome, because each class is 25 minutes long. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, VIP Kid will pay you more money for classes that you finish. Now, a finished class will earn you $1 more per class, and a finished class is simply a finished class. You teach face-to-face, a student and you, for 25 minutes. Or the student cancels for some reason within 24 hours. And if they cancel within 24 hours, VIP Kid is going to pay you. They pay you for your time. They respect you as a professional. So that's $1 when the student cancels. The third one, if a student has a technical issue, if their camera's not working, or you can't hear them very well, or their internet is just too slow to complete the online class, VIP Kid will pay you that dollar per class for that as well. So that's really great. Now you're up to $8 to $10 per class. The third way that VIP Kid gives you money just for teaching is they give you an incentive for the number of classes that you teach. If you teach 30 classes per month, they give you an extra 50 cents per class. If you teach more than 30, or more than 45, classes in a month, you get an extra dollar. Scratch that, it's not a dollar. 45 classes. 45 classes per month gets you an extra dollar per class. So now let's just pretend for just a minute. You're a teacher with VIP Kid. You do a great job on your interview. They love you. You have great experience. They give you $8 an hour. Okay, let's just do some math. $8 an hour. Then you finish all of your classes, and they give you another dollar. And then you finish more than 45, and they give you another dollar. Now you are making $10 per class with VIP Kid. Now, you teach 2 classes an hour, so that's $20 an hour, guys. That's really great money to sit at home in your pajamas or whatever you have on. Today I have on they're little tiny shorts because it's super hot here, and I have no shoes on, barefoot. And I'm in my house, and if I gotta eat, I gotta eat. If I gotta go to the bathroom, I don't have to ask anyone. I don't have to leave 30 students and get a sub to come in to go to the bathroom. I love this job. I love this job because you have to have respect for teachers and the sacrifices that they make each day. All right, so this is just your base pay, no frills. VIP Kid does pay you more money for referrals. So if you can see here, I've got my referral page open because VIP Kid does pay if you find a friend of yours or a coworker that wants to teach as well, and they sign up to teach VIP Kid with you. You will make money for that as well. All right, so let me just give you an example of what my weeks usually look like. This is my week coming up. Okay, so this is my current week. Let me show you my current week. This is my current week. Oops, no, not my current week. This is my current week. And my current week looks a little weird because I'm not sure what's happening in China at this point, but there might be a holiday or something. But this week has been a little weird. I normally teach from 4 a.m. to 10 a.m. every morning. Now, this 4 a.m. slot is very hard to fill. I have a lot of regulars who usually take this slot that I think for some reason this week I think there's exams going on. It's the end of the year and it's hard. And these expired courses were canceled as well, okay, outside of 24 hours. So I didn't fill those, but that's okay. These are normally completely full. And I teach from 4 a.m. to 10 a.m. every morning. And on the weekends, I teach from 9:30 p.m. to 10 a.m. That's Friday nights and Saturday nights. Now, I know that sounds crazy, but if you really are a go-getter and you really want to make good money with this company, this is what you can do. You can also, just name your hours. Whatever hours you want to work is fine with VIP Kid. You don't have to teach a gazillion. There's no minimum. There used to be a 15-class minimum, but you don't have to do that. You teach as much or as little as you want, and they will pay you for it. So, for example, this is what I made. I'm not going to show you my incentives, really, the breakdown. I just want you to focus on this is the money that I made in May working for VIP Kid. I didn't have any referrals. This is straight teaching. I marked it out. I did have two new VIP Kid students sign up with me. Those were trial students that I converted. I don't teach a lot of trial kids because I have so many regulars that there's just no time in my hours for it. But they do pay you $5 for each child that you teach that's thinking about the program that eventually ends up buying it. So that is money that you can make if you work for VIP Kid, and that's up to you. If you want to begin at 7 a.m. every morning, fine, do you. If you don't want to work weekends, don't work weekends. If you want to work just weekends, work just weekends. What I love about this company is that it is flexible, it is steady. Once you get your courses laid out and you get your regular students, it's smooth sailing. And I want to encourage you guys to view the other video that I have posted on how to grow your business, because I think it's really important for people to learn how to grow their VIP Kid business. It took me about 3 months to get my schedule the way I liked it, and I've been smooth sailing ever since. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. Leave me a comment. Leave me your email. I will respond to you. There is a referral link in the bottom that you can click if you're interested in joining our company. I will help you. You and I can Skype, we can chat, we can email, whatever is your thing, and help you get hired, help you successfully pass your interview, and help you be a really great teacher. I love my job, and I want you to love your job too. So I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.